Let's do your most informative online celebrity talk show, GH Online TV. We're talking entertainment, celebrity up close, hot gossip. It's all we have on this show. GH Online TV. You see, today I'm in my smog. We're promoting culture as well. Today on the show is Abdurrahman, aka Dasko. This is a supermodel. He's a trainer as well. He trains models, an actor. Watch this episode and know the talent that Upper West really has. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you, bro.
I will
be very glad.
Okay. So, Kinaka Upper West industry. So, I'm going to crew attention to our models and our actors in it to focus Yaman Lobby, a Yemen pool. To identify these are talents that at least people should get to know about. So generally, can you Dasko, Chabi Abdurrahman? Like generally, antro level.
Thank you. Dasko, that is me.
Okay.
Yeah, seriously. I'm a caterer, and that is my profession.
A business aspect.
Yeah, and I'm a first nurse, and I'm a model, and I'm actress. So that is my passion too. I would love to be doing all the time. And mostly, while here, we don't value those things. And we see those things to be like a useless things, which is not fair. And look at Ghana Most Beautiful. We've never had anyone from West Central per se. It's only last year. Look at what we have someone
didn't go far.
And that is it. And look, when you are just trying to modernize those things, people thought like you don't have any good thing doing in the society. But like, let's look at the Southerners. Look at how they are building their model and acting career. So we've never even had anyone from Upper West just to be like a superstar, like a supermodel or actor or actress. So like I would like our elders or our public to just give this and
give room to find that have the passion to do it,
so that they won't be like an insult to those who are willing to do it,
yet they don't have the space to do.
Yeah, because me, I went to Galwood. When I came back,
you went to Galwood?
Yeah, I went to Galwood. Yeah, when I came back, people were just criticizing me that I went and spent money for nothing, what. Yeah, that is it. But I know what I'm doing.
Everyone and your passion.
Yeah, and I don't listen to what people say about me. Whatever that I want to do, that is what I always do perfectly.
So so far so good for you. That is what you're saying, because this is something you love doing. Now you are a model. But the acting aspect, we don't seem to have seen you we haven't seen you in movies, we haven't seen you in TV series. Let me say. But you keep mentioning the acting, and even to the extent of going to attending Galwood for the acting career, but we've not seen you in movies. Is there any reason?
Yeah, actually there is a reason. It's a family issues. I got 2 scripts, one from Accra. That was when we completed
to be part of
like it was a TV series. Like we acted to some part, and even one guy too was from Wahia. It was also included, Suburi. Yeah, I hope you know him. Subu Adam, he's from Dori. Yeah, he was also part. And actually, I thank him so much. He introduced me into that production. Yeah, but apart from that, when my family, there was a family issue, so I came.
They are not very supportive of the kind of passion you tune into.
So like I came back, and just last year I had a script from Sunyani, and my brother told me that he wants to speak to the manager, and that ends it.
So would you, the things like this, do they discourage you from pursuing your dreams?
Yes, they do, because it's not easy, but you have to stand on your feet and fight for what is right for you. Yeah, if not, I'm having a lot of challenges with them due to this in the acting aspect. But the model aspect, they tried to stop me, but they couldn't, because I always tell them that this is what I like.
That is just you. They should just accept you for what you are.
Yeah, that is it.
But you recently went into a model training, because I have passed through a polytechnic, and then anytime they are having a beauty pageant event, they call you, then you train people.
Yeah.
So is this a new job you took, or is it just something you are good at?
something that I'm good at. Okay. Already I'm a model.
Oh, okay.
Like I can walk, I can train guys, I can train ladies too. So I did 2 things at Garwood, modeling and acting. So it's just something that I'm perfect in.
Wow. Wow. So what are the results in my training about at Bahana? Are results man lawa why response in my training?
Well, I may say like I have 2 girls from Wapole and one did well for me. Just that her family doesn't allow her to go for that show.
Sure, okay.
Yeah, I've just seen like a beauty pageant in Tamale.
Okay.
Miss Savannah. So I've called Evelyn.
Okay.
And I just said, oh, I just saw this advert on NTV. So will you like to go? And she said yes. Yeah. So we bought the form and she filled and she went for the audition and
she qualified.
Yeah, she qualified and she called for the house and she went, they do photo shoot, I don't know what comes, and her uncle was having issues with her and she had to come back.
Oh. So General, would you say the reason why we are not seeing actors and models a lot in Upper West is because of our geographical background? Maybe Tanama support acting side, but focus dialogue maybe Yemen, maybe acting and models are also careers with another man pursue.
Yeah.
Supporting him,
so like, like they think kicking now a model, making now an actor or actress, like you are a prostitute.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
A perception level.
Perception level. Like they say that like a lady, if you want a role, a manager or a director should have sex with you before they give you a role. It's never true. Since you have the talent, you have the right to have a role in a movie. But if you doesn't have the talent, but you are forcing yourself, then
that is where people take advantage
on you. And a guy too, or let me even say a man too, if you also have the talent, you have nothing doing. You don't have to settle anyone. But like in one here, I don't actually know. I've been to Radio Upper West, Radio WSM, just for these shows, just to educate like our people, just to know that what they are thinking about these two things is different. Oh yes, Upper West really having talents, which we can even build more than the Southness. But if anybody comes out, someone will go and influence his parents or his family to this person did this. And I myself, I have a lot of names. People point hands at me, blah, 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 blah. Like, I don't care. What I fly doing, that's me. And what I want, I must get it. And that's me.
So your most informative online celebrity talk show, GH Online TV. We're speaking with Dasco. He's a model, an actor, a businessman. I forgot to add, he's a fashionist as well. You can see the swag out there. All right, we're talking entertainment. The support we need as in this industry for the models, actors. He's just saying we don't have enough room for the actors and models here. All we do focus here is music. Yet we have a lot of people that are dying to be models and then actors. So Kinanka generally, the challenges and being aside and in mention, is there any way we could help solve these problems? Let the people understand that this is how it is. Is there any way we could create awareness?
Yeah. Actually, I was handling a friend agency, but right now I'm also planning to own my own agency. But
a modeling agency.
Yeah. I would like people to give me a support so that we go to radio, we talk, or like we approach people like in public and talk to them and create like Facebook page, Instagram page, and all that.
Just try creating awareness all over.
Fine. So people will know this is a good thing for like when you know your daughter or your son
is passionate about this.
Please just give the person a chance. You don't know what will come tomorrow or what the person will benefit from it. If someone was to tell Evelyn will go for this, so Evelyn will not say no. Yes, because when I was training them, I've seen the passion and everything in her. But like after the show, I've called her and I've talked to her. I want you to join my agency, this and this. So she's agreed. But like she told me that we have to see her uncle. So I went to talk to her uncle, and the uncle told me that for me coming to him is not all that enough. He wants a letter from our agency, so which we did. But I don't know. He agreed and hand Evelyn over to, oh yeah, when I sent Evelyn to the agency, everybody, she did very well. Everybody was impressed about the way she performed. Fine, we did some shows here, and one thing, right here, the problem we have with the designers is like they don't want to come and showcase their talent, or if you go and approach them, they'll ask you to give them money to buy the material and show, or if they show, who will buy?
So it's slowing down work.
Fine. So like if we are to do a fashion show, we have to invite designers from Accra, Tamale, Kumasi,
instead of using those right here.
So like it always pains me, because you have something
you can sell, yet you fear taking risks.
Fine. The last show that we did, the man who came from Tamale, all her design, they bought all at that night.
Wow.
Oh yes. But like it's only one person who is trying in one here, Rasta. His shop is around Jembury.
Okay.
For him, perfect. If we go for him for any help, then he does. And any so he'll come and register and participate. So he's only the designer that I can count on in Wahia. But here, the designers, they know how to design things, but
they fear taking
risks. And life is all about risk. If you don't risk, you won't gain.
That is no pain, no gain. As they write at every gym center. Your most informative online celebrity talk show. This up close is with Dasku, entrepreneur, fashionist, model. I might be considering joining the modeling agency very soon, because I'm seeing I have the talent as well. Probably I just didn't have the platform. If you're watching, Dasco is saying he's setting up a modeling agency. It is already set up. So you could just link up with Dasco and be part of this modeling agency. If you think you have the passion, just link up and get yourself professionally trained for this job. So now, generally, what is your last words you would like to tell the general public about your whole thing? Modeling, acting, and then people that have passion yet to even come on board. What do you have to tell?
I'll just encourage those who have the passion. Just carry the vim and come. I'm always there. And please, and I'll advise parents or guardians to give their children a chance, and don't listen to rumors. If my family was to be listening to rumors, I won't be who I am today. When I was Girlwood, a lot of things say about me. I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Even as I'm in Wahia, people criticize me, but like I don't care. I know what I'm getting from it. It's not even Apawes alone that I'm well known. I've been Kumasi, Accra, Tamale, everywhere. It's only who that I've never been. I'm on the 10 region. It's only who. So like, why won't I encourage my people to also be like me, or to become more than me? Because I don't want to be better than those who have growing. I want them to be better than me.
That is to show that you've made impact.
So that is it. That is what I just have for the public. They should give me a support and stop criticizing people. It will help.
Straight. Your most informative online celebrity talk show. So stop criticizing people. Get to know more about the job even before you complain. This is GH Online TV with your boy Mashood Helia. Same time next week. Signing out.
Thank you.